Windows Server 2003 will reach end of life on July 14, 2015. To ensure safety of your data during migration, you need to take 3 simple steps: backup, virtualize, and deploy. First, you need to back up everything you have in your Windows Server 2003. Acronis Backup with advanced disk imaging technology will protect everything you have: data, applications, and even your operating system. Let us show how easy it is to perform complete disk image backup and make sure your data is safe. First, start Acronis Backup. Then, connect to the machine you want to back up. Start Backup now. Backup everything. You can also back up selected partitions or files, but be sure not to skip important data. Choose where to save your backup image. You can save it to any storage, for example, a USB drive or network share. Enter the name of your backup. Click OK to start the backup. Acronis Backup will take a snapshot of everything on your hard disk drive and will create the complete image. Every sector on the disk except free space and paging and hibernation files will be backed up. Your backup is now complete and contains everything that had been on the server. You can now copy the backup to any other media for safekeeping. Now your backup is done. It's time to virtualize. After your migration, the server that held Windows Server 2003 may be gone, but the Server 2003 environment can live on. Acronis Backup lets you convert the Server 2003 image to many types of virtual machines, including Microsoft Hyper-V. This is a great way to access your Server 2003 system after migration and makes it easy to find files and check settings and applications. For example, if after migration you cannot find the serial number for an application, merely start up the virtual machine and use Help About to identify the number to use for installation in the new Windows version. In this video, we will show how easy it is to convert your image to Hyper-V VM. Select a disk image backup of your machine to convert. Create New Virtual Machine. Select a Hyper-V host. Select a VM storage location. Customize virtual machine settings such as VM name, amount of RAM, number of CPUs, number and types of virtual disks VM will use, and so forth. Adjust the partition sizes if required. Name your conversion task and start the conversion. You have just virtualized your Windows Server. Acronis Backup Advanced makes your migration from Windows Server 2003 easy, and complete backups with P2V conversion make the whole operation safe, ensuring you protect any and all data you have. Now your data is safe and systems are virtualized. You can deploy new Windows Server 2012 R2. You can use the standard installation, but that will take a considerable amount of time, especially if you have tens or hundreds of servers. Acronis Snap Deploy allows you to provision any number of systems as fast as you can provision one. You simply create a master image of a standard machine, including all the applications and settings, and deploy the image via multicast to new servers. In this video, we will show how easy it is to deploy multiple systems. First, start Acronis Snap Deploy 5 console and create a deployment task. Select the machines, or add the machines into the list. Use the Pixie server. Select Deployment Template, or create a new one. Select the master image. Choose the partitions to deploy. Assign unique names to deployed systems. Join them to a specific domain. Change network settings. Create new local user accounts. Generate new unique SID, and so forth. Use Acronis Universal Deploy if your hardware is dissimilar from your master machine. Save the template for future reuse. Choose deployment conditions and save the task. After creating the task, boot your bare metal target servers with Acronis Snap Deploy agent from Acronis Pixie server. As soon as the target machines are ready, the deployment will start. Once the deployment is finished, the deployed machines are ready for use. Your deployment is complete. To summarize, to ensure safe migration to new Windows, you need to back up your entire Windows Server 2003 systems, have them virtualized for quick reference and rollback, and have tools to deploy new Windows quickly. And you have the ability to quickly restore your data from the backup of your old server to the new server, so you can get up and running faster. To find out more and download trial versions of Acronis products, visit the Acronis website.